Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can stop Epic Games Launcher from running on startup on your Windows PC. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first you need to open up your Epic Games. So you can click on this small arrow here and double click this icon and it should open up your Epic Games Launcher. Now after that, you can go to your profile picture in here and go to settings. And from here, under preferences, you can toggle off the run when my computer starts option. So you can go back and close this launcher. Now, when you restart your computer, Epic Games Launcher will not run automatically. Alright, so there we have it guys. This is how you can stop Epic Games Launcher from running on startup. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.